Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow direct messages from server members on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile and down here click privacy and safety, and now here you will find allow direct messages from server members and click on it and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to allow direct messages from server members on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.